Labor Day last minute deals at Lowe's. They've got the cool multi-driver sets that everybody's going crazy about. I didn't know how crazy people were about these. Oh, very cool. We all wanted Klein to come to Lowe's. That's what everybody's been talking about. Here's a sign letting us know they're here. I wasn't planning on getting screwdrivers, but look at this, $39.98 for the Klein Tools screwdriver set, and these are the ones that are insulated. This is the 6-piece insulated. You get the number 1 Phillips, the number 2 Phillips, and another number 2 Phillips, a 3/16 flat, a 1/4 flat, and the square drive. Perfect for electricians. If you're a fan of the Craftsman tool brand, for $9.98, you have the 16-ounce fiberglass hammer. For $17.98, you've got the 25-foot Pro Reach measuring tape, and $19.98 gets you the 8-piece bi-material screwdriver set, and they have quite a few here. Off on the clearance section, you have the 140-piece screwdriver bit set on sale right now. Not a bad price for that many bits in a set. I just don't know how strong they are. I usually get different brands, but this looks like a great buy. It was $44 down to $39.98. For those of you that work in low voltage or work in the electrical field, here we have some major deals. $8.98 for the Ideal 7-in-1 wire stripper. I know that Ideal is probably not what most professional electricians will buy, but if you're starting out, sometimes you just gotta go cheap. $9.98 for the large stripper right there. $27.98 for the forged heavy duty wire stripper. That one looks pretty cool. That's also Ideal. Let's see here. $9.98 for that Ideal long flathead screwdriver. $14.98 for the nut driver set. $26.98 for the technical screwdriver set. That is not a bad deal at all. Right here for $7.98, you've got the larger flathead there, not a bad deal. $10.98 for the wire snips right there. Anybody doing low voltage knows that that's what we usually use. All right, guys, for $14.98, you've got the T-stripper right there. Then you have a coax stripper right here. Very interesting. I've never used one of those. I think I'd be interested in buying it just to test it. $15.98 for the T-stripper. $6.98 for that T-stripper right there. So you've got an assortment of T-strippers that you can get right now on sale. It looks pretty good. Flexible bits for those of you that are running cable. Here we've got, for $42, we've got the Recess Light Hole Saw from Greenlee. And Greenlee also has $14.98 for this quick auger bit, $11.98 for that quick auger bit. Now there are the dimensions there for those of you wondering. $10.98. There you go, that's a 3/4 inch hole size. Go ahead and freeze the video to get your sizes there if you want. Lowe's has their proprietary brand Kobalt on sale right now. $249 for the 24-volt 4-piece combo kit set right there. You get your Sawzall, your light, and your 2 drivers, one of them being an impact. And then right here for $149, you have just the 2 combo kit. Not a bad deal. Then for $24.98, you get a large bit set right there. Very nice. Interesting. Would like to compare this with the Craftsman one to find out which is a better deal. For $14.98, you got the 65-piece bit set right there for those of you not needing as many bits. No sale on the Kobalt modular box, is $179 still for that unit. If you need a small compressor for stapling or some really basic things, they've got a sale right now, $179 for the 1-tool combo kit, 6-gallon Craftsman. You get the stapler and the compressor itself right there. And if you were wondering if that clearance deal is really a deal, check out this, $199 just for the small 6-gallon tank pancake compressor. I think I would buy that if I was looking for one. If Craftsman air compressors isn't what you're into, but you like Kobalt, $129 will get you a 3-gallon hot dog air compressor. So there you go. And if not, you want something a little bit bigger, 8-gallon Horizon air compressor right there. The yellow tags are a bit scarce compared to what I'd like. But here you go, $59 for a 3/8 inch impact wrench from Kobalt. A very nice deal, 24 volt unit. And let's see if we have anything else. $59 for this 4-in-1 saw, multi-purpose saw. Not a bad deal if you're in the Kobalt battery system. Right behind me, we've got the Bosch claiming 50 times more life bit set for $12.98 right there. Check it out, guys, on sale right now. As I was saying, the yellow tags are kind of scarce even though it's a holiday weekend. $99 for the Metabo small cordless drill right there. And then you've got $99 for the 18 volt 1/4 inch sub impact. Again, I'd like to see a few more yellow tags, especially in Metabo. It's not a brand that everybody's running to buy, and they should be looking at. Craftsman has a few more deals for you. Check out this one right here, $129 for the starter kit with a 4 amp hour 20 volt battery right there. Not a bad deal for $129 if you're in that battery system. $169 for the Trade Stack Pro Tower. Now, we know that there's the modular toolbox wars going on right now, and the Pro Stack isn't that bad. It's not that great either. It's right in the middle. So for those of you who are DIYers or even a bit prosumers, you may want to consider the Pro Stack. It's not a bad one at all. Those of you with an affinity for Craftsman and gunmetal, check this out, $29.98 for the 7-piece SAE gunmetal wrench set. Or you can choose the $29.98 wrench set. It's also a 7-piece right there. Or you have this set right here, $49.98. This is an 11-piece SAE set. Not bad at all. Very interesting set if you're into Craftsman. Continuing the Kobalt deals for $31.97 on clearance, we have the 3-piece ratchet set from Kobalt, part number 51400023. This has got a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch ratchet. Very decent deal. Right next to it, you have for $64.98 potentially a decent tool set for somebody in a rental property or something like that, where they're just renting and they need something to just have around the house. $64.98 for a 73-piece tool set. And then right over here for $79, I'm extremely tempted. You have the 8-piece Kobalt flex head wrench set right there. That has me thinking if I should buy it right now. Those of you DIYers that are crazy about cars know how important having a torque wrench is, and here you go, 1-year limited warranty for $89.98 in Kobalt at your local Lowe's. One of the other tool tubers in the tool community, Mastering Mayhem, showed where they were selling some Kobalt mechanics tool sets for $69 or $79, and I came running to try to find it. Doesn't seem like they have them here. But what they do have that's around that price range and maybe decent for an emergency car kit is this $79.98 83-piece mechanics tool set. Was $99, and I am somewhat interested in this as a set to keep in my wife's car or my daughter's car in case they ever break down. Now, if I want to go ahead and pay just a little bit more, I could look at this 105-piece mechanics tool set for $89. It was $139, and it has your 1/4 inch and 3/8 ratchet with an SAE and metric 6-point socket set with a full lifetime warranty. I am sorry for the background noise. One of those security units has gone off. I'm not sure why, it just did it, but here we go. Check this out, 51-piece mechanics tool set in gunmetal with SAE and metric sockets right here for $59.98. Was $99. Not a bad deal for an emergency tool kit that you may want to carry around. If you want to pay a little more for $89.98, was $109. This is the VersaStack compatible 68-piece SAE and metric. Probably a little too much for an emergency tool car kit. For $49.98, the more interesting set right here because of the price range is this 71-piece VersaStack compatible chrome 3/8 and 1/4 inch set that is part number 5393300. Not a bad set at all. 71-piece mechanics tool set. Interesting price range $59.98 gets you this 63-piece VersaStack compatible mechanics chrome tool set. Now this has a driver with it and a few other items, probably more interesting as a starter kit or potentially an emergency kit for your car. $129 gets you this 230-piece SAE metric with a 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive ratchet, and it is VersaStack compatible. $129 was $219. If you're looking for a small 6-piece hex set for $24.98 for a quick job, it's on sale right now at Lowe's. Then you've got this one for $24.98, and this looks to be the same torque set, but this is an SAE 3/8 drive. In one of my other videos, we talked about the sales that they had on the Craftsman trade stack right here. $169 for that Pro Tower stack right there. You've got this cool bag, $111 clearance for the trade stack 3-bin with the milk crate on top, and $49.98 for the bag. So that hasn't really changed. Klein Tools is at Lowe's, and let's see if they've got any prices that are enticing people to start shopping here for their products. Doesn't look like anything's on yellow tag because it just came in, but the pricing looks fairly nominal. Let's go ahead and see what else they got here. They got the cool safety glasses, they've got the knee pads, they've got the cool multi-driver sets that everybody's going crazy about. I didn't know how crazy people were about these. A lot of people are watching my videos and they leave comments all the time that they love these things and their wives love these things. So very interesting. Now as we move over here, here we go. We've got some Klein electrical dual non-contact voltage testers. We've got some dual laser infrared thermometers right there. We've got the famous Klein electrical kits right there. We've got the cloppers, we got the cutters, we got their famous made in the USA tools. We love Klein for that. Thank you, Klein. We love that you make tools in the United States. Here we go. We've got the Klein crimper right there. I love that crimper. $29.98. That's probably a deal. Doesn't even need to be on yellow tag. We've got the Klein measuring tape, 16 foot right there. We've got some Klein levelers right there. Electrical. We've got the electrician's combination square. Not a bad deal there. We've got the Klein borescope for Android devices. Not bad. I like that. We got the combustible leak detector from Klein Tools for $120. I'm glad that Klein is coming in strong. $79 will get you a starter kit right here, the clamp meter kit. Not bad deal for DIYers and starting electricians. $79.98 for that Klein tool set, and everybody knows that Klein is probably your secondary choice to Fluke, right? You're gonna get a Fluke, and if you can't get a Fluke, you get a Klein. So $39.98 for this set right there. Awesome deals, awesome. Even though they're not yellow tag, I think these prices are pretty fair when it comes to Klein. Now on this aisle right here, we've got the components to go with their stacking system. Very interesting. So they've got cup holders, they've got magnetic holders for their stacking system. From all the modular boxes, it seems to me that Flex and Klein both seem to have the most accessories that have come out for their boxes. And when I say accessories, I'm talking about like cup holders, bit holders, all kinds of nut holders, and all kinds of different things that you got there. It's just a great modular toolbox system. I love them for that. Here's their modular toolbox system, $79 for the medium suitcase box right there. Then $89 for the larger one there. And then I don't know how much the, $149 for the mod box rolling portion of the kit. $319.94 for the whole kit itself right there. Wonderful, wonderful. So excited that Klein is here. I don't know why Home Depot let them go, and I feel it's a big mistake. We have some deals on Skill for you. Check this out, $59.98 gets you the small 1/4 inch impact. $49.98 gets you the 1/2 inch drill right there. $79.98 gets you the brushless compact reciprocating saw. And here you have, for the same price, the brushless oscillating multi-tool kit. So there you guys go. Skill is also having some major clearance deals there for a yellow tag for you here at Lowe's.